6-in-1 shop gauge is the next one-time tool to make its way through our shop. So let's check out how it's made. Here, the body of the tool is milled out of aluminum. Those parts are then carefully inspected by the machinist for accuracy. Here's our state-of-the-art laser cutting gear teeth. After the laser cutting, any burrs or imperfections are cleaned up. Next, the bodies are anodized, then laser engraved with scale markings. Finally, the tool is meticulously assembled by hand and shipped out to eager woodworkers around the world.